how a successful leader thinks. Now, you must be expecting that I'm going to give you strategies on thinking. That's right. But let me tell you, first of all, have a time for thinking. We are in a fast world where, you don't have time to think. And Chanakya, he was a master strategist. He says in the book Arthashastra. Now, this is the book Arthashastra. In this, he's actually given practical strategies to run a successful kingdom. And in today's world, if you want to run a successful business, you have to apply these relevant strategies. The first thing, all successful leaders, entrepreneurs schedule a specific time for thinking. Now, this can be leadership time, this can be thinking time, or idea brainstorming time. See, in your corporates, you do have meetings, you do have plannings, but there is a specific time you have to allot to schedule just to think with yourself. I've written over there, silence, solitude strategy for success. You have Bill Gates, you have all big legends. They specifically have 1 hour minimum in 24 hours to think. I'm not saying you need to spend 1 hour, but at least spend 30 minutes a day. And as soon as you wake up, because your mind is completely blank at that point of time, your mind is very fresh. And the more you sit in silence, see, some people can do meditation, some people cannot do meditation. But this is like awareness. And I have written over there concept of EGC by Vishen Lakhiani. I've purposely written this is because this lockdown period is the time where you can actually rethink on your goals, rethink on your strategies, rethink on, how do you want to do business ahead, or maybe if you want to have your own startup, or if you want to rebuild your team, or if you are a better entrepreneur or a better person, this is the time. And when you have EGC's experience growth contribution, you can always check on YouTube 3 important questions by Vishen Lakhiani. It says experience, growth, and contribution. By far, this is the best goal setting strategy that I've learned. So when you make a chart, it's going to be something like this: your name, experience, growth, and contribution. Now, experience is whatever you want to experience in your life. Maybe become a successful entrepreneur, maybe earn so and so amount, maybe give your family a luxury life, or maybe become a better leader. It can be anything. Then comes self-development, personal growth, and professional growth. Because I'm not saying have Bonvita and Complan. Of course, that will help you for your body. But again, depending for your self-development, you need constant learnings, and for that you need constant thinking. And last is to have this thinking period with you. Utilize it to reinvent your goals, reinvent yourself. And as a successful leader, when you start applying thinking time, it's going to make you more successful. It gives you more ideas, better strategy planning, and awareness. See, I've purposely mentioned the word awareness. Sometimes we make very good plans, but they don't execute. Sometimes we really want to achieve something, but sometimes people pull us back. We lose our confidence. Sometimes there are some obstacles, there are some crises, and things don't work out that way. But when you have strategic planning, when you have backup options, and when you think practically, you will not stop.